So hello guys, today we're going to be doing a bike service video here, and obviously I've been riding the rocker for a while now and I haven't even bothered just have a look at what it is. So I'm just going to show you guys a few things that you should look out for on the rocker. So to start off with, we just want to check for any punctures in the wheels. So if I just put the bike upside down, sorry guys, you might not be able to see it for a bit because I'm going to turn the bike upside down. There we go guys. The bike has been turned upside down, so now we are going to check the tyres for any punctures. PSI seems nice, they're not squeezing in. Nothing on that one. We've got stones in this one, but that's making no effect. PSI's fine. Just looking. Right, so that's one tyre's done. Next, we're gonna just check with the chain. So the chain should be pretty loose, usually. My chain don't need oiling because I've oiled it pretty recently, talking about that. If the chain is really tight, it most likely will come off, and that's not good for the bike. So that's nice and good. Chain's nice. Right. Now we're going to be checking the pedals. So the pedals spin fine, they got no rock on them. Check this side as well. It's good. I've got all the bolts, I don't know if you can see that, all the bolts here. Check if these are fine. Yep. When I move this doesn't wobble. I'm just going to quickly check how the wheel spins. Yep, it's fine. That's good. So, the other thing that we're going to check. Currently, I don't have any. I forgot to bring my multi-tool with me, but I'm going to show you. I'm just going to feel them. I know it's not very accurate, but I'm just going to feel them to make sure they're not loose. Because if you can obviously feel them loose, that means they definitely are loose. Obviously, the clamp, I always have my clamp up tight, which is